Hi there. So I'm back to finish this winter botanical journal. I finished that centre piece. Stuck a label there. Fox there, 2 deers, and then I've just put that little strip in. I've put that blackbird there and a little label, and then I just did 2 journal cards for the bag, sewn around them, and obviously put a tab on, and that's that one. Okay, so I've got some pieces that just, you know, to make it a little bit quicker. So I'm going to put that on that part. Do I want it high? I think I'm going to have it high. So I'm going to use the fabric sack. I fetched my new glasses yesterday, so I'm wearing the varifocals. Now, I did try them before, and if you've had varifocals, you'll know. The first time I had them, I had the cheap ones. And then as they get more expensive, I think you've got more, I don't know, space to see. But yeah, my eyes are struggling a bit with where to look. And I say eyes, obviously I'm partially sighted. I've got no sight in my right eye, so I only have a blank glass in there. I don't have a you know, a real lens in there. But yeah, me good eye is yeah, it just doesn't seem to know where to look. It's a bit funny, so I might just have to have them on for a bit and then change back into my reading glasses for this. I think I'm gonna probably find these varifocals better for being out and about. I did think they'd be good for this, you know, looking down, and then obviously I then look, you know, to the side, to the computer and things like that. And if I'm looking for something, then I'm obviously scanning around my room. But yeah, we shall see. I don't know how long they say to give them, and I don't think she said about, you know, should you just wear them for an hour at a time until you get used to them. She might have said it and I might have forgot. So that's on there. It looks as if I've just missed a bit of ink there. Oh, it looks like I've missed a bit of glue too. So let's put that brown paper. I'm just gonna, that's it. We're a bit wonky. That's better. Right, let's ink around this one. So I've just got this Christmas tree image just to put on the other side of the bag, just for a bit of something to look at. And then I've got that lovely bird there, which is an Edith Holden image. That's from the CD ROM. I don't know if I've said in this video, but those bags, I do have them in my Etsy shop, and I've got them in 2 different sizes. So I sell the bigger ones on their own, the smaller ones on their own, and I do a mixed pack. So that's there. It looks a bit baggy, but I guess it's because it's a bag. Baggy bag. Right, I'm sorry. I'll just pop this on here. Oh dear. I'm filming this the same day. You'll obviously be seeing it the day after. So it's still Friday here. Still feeling a little bit giddy. I don't know if that's because I've got new glasses, to be honest. Oh dear, yeah. Strange. I think I'm overtired. I'm just gone, you know, delirious. Right, that one can go there. So that's that. I'm going to leave that blank. Then we've got this pocket, which is obviously like the other one on the opposite side. And I've got this tea-stained index card, which I did some stenciling on. This was from my stash. I think I did that right at the beginning when I did the other journals, and it didn't get used. So that can pop in here, there. yeah, just pop it down a bit so we can see that. So that's that one, and we've got that lovely page, and I made that from the middle of a cracker, and this is going to go here. Another owl. Then after I film this, I'm going to sit and get the other one done, and then film the flip through, which I think I'll put on for you, you know, on the same night. Do it in the evening, so that'll be Tuesday night. You'll be seeing this on on Tuesday, and then that's that one done and dusted, and I can pop it into Etsy on the Wednesday. Like I say, if you're interested in it beforehand, then just send me an email or something. Right, I've got these library cards. Again, I've got these in the shop. I've tea stained these. The ones in the shop aren't tea stained, they're just white, but the tea stain really nice. The envelopes obviously stained a lot nicer than the card, which is good, because obviously you want to write on the card. And the sticky has still stayed sticky. It's really sticky, so I'm going to actually put that over the top of there. But first, oh, let me ink this. I'm just going to put a little bit of stamping on. And I've got this picture, which is very similar, what I'm going to put on top of the library pocket. I think I'm selling packs of 5 of those, so you get 5 pockets and 5 cards, and they've got it on the back as well. So you can either decorate these or leave them plain, so you can write on the front or the back. So do the back. Okay, right, so I was just going to put some text over this one. I think I might as well just do it in the walnut stain, to be honest. I only want it to be a you know, a background thing. Right, that should do that. So let me stick this down. So I want to get it right on there. Probably, well, I probably just need a bit of glue on that top corner. I can't get my finger in there. So that's that. And then I'm going to ink around this image. This is from the kit. Again, I don't know if it's from the Christmas one, Christmas Botanicals, or the Winter Botanicals. You know, they're very similar. They work together. So I'm going to pop that on there. And then just on the library card, I'm just going to stencil the front and the back in, is it the Wilderness? I'll tell you in a minute. That's the one that the lovely Dee bought me. I think it was for me, for my birthday. Probably have to get me fine glue into there. This is a bit chunky for fine things. Yeah. Right, that'll do for now. Oh, let's get the lid on that, and it is, yep, it's Rustic Wilderness. That's that. So I'm going to pull this out. I'm just going to do it on top of this. I've got the Tim Holtz, well, I'm calling it the Winter Botanicals. I don't know what Tim calls it. It's probably got that many different Winter Botanical ones. It's probably got a special name for it, but a lot of them do have the names across them, don't they? And then some of them don't. Right, just want to, I mean, really want it quite faint. So, you know, to be able to write on it. Have a look. Oh yeah, that's just right. Probably didn't even see that. I did that like quick. Let's just get that straight. Have a look. Yeah, that's lovely. Yep, put my lid on. I'm sorry, I am sucking a menthol sweet just to keep my throat moist. Right, so that's going to go in there, and then I've got this page tab from the kit, and I'm just going to stick that down. What are we on? 11 minutes. I'm only asking because obviously I keep turning the camera off. Stick that down. Oh, that's nice. And that is that. Okay, so then we've got this page, got this pocket here, and then a pocket here. This flips out, this flips out. We've got a belly band here, and we've got this tag here. This was inspired by Rita Jensen. I did do a video on it. And we've got the other side to this. Okay, which is a bit chunky. And then I'm going to put this pocket and tag there. So I'm going to ink this tag up, and I'm going to stick that material there. Not done a very good job of cutting this one, but we can cover it with the ink. Look at that. I love that. Yep. Love it that much I want to throw it away. I think I'm going to have to trim down this one. It's one of those ones, you know what, I joined together. And they've got a bit of a space. So if you wanted to, you know, fold them and either make them into a tag booklet or something. Right, so that's that one. Yeah, love that pattern. Let's just fold this. Yep. And this one. So I've said it's Friday. Ryan's at work till normal tea time. Eleanor's going straight to the stables with her friend. And then she's going to be running in for a stuff about 6 o'clock, and then she's staying at a friend's tonight, and then they're going to the stables Saturday morning. I think she'll be back for late afternoon Saturday, and she's staying here Saturday. I think a friend's going somewhere, because normally a friend stays here on the Friday, and then they stay at her house on the Saturday. Because then they can go to the stables the Friday night and come back here. And then, where's the lid for that? Yeah, and then the mum normally picks them up on the Saturday morning. They spend, well, near enough the whole day there. I suppose they do. They have to clean the stable out and all those kinds of things, ride the horses. And then she'll stay at her friend's on the Saturday night, and then Sunday they go and do the same thing again. I'm surprised Eleanor's not got bored with it, really, but she hasn't, especially now it's winter and it's cold and wet and stuff. I'm a bit fed up of it, all mud. I mean, I've bought some riding boots and riding clothes and what have you, but yeah, she comes back in a right mess sometimes. Right, so that is that down there. I will go down with my little fine tip after. And that's going to go in there, like so. And then this back page, I thought, you know, we've covered the front one up like that. But I thought, you know, it's I'd like to see that. So I'm going to stick it onto the, you know, I don't want 2 lines of thread. So I'm going to stick this on with the 3-in-1. So yeah, I've just got some vellum. I scored it round, I think, 1/2 inch on the sides and the bottom, and then just cut the corners out, and yeah, and then just sewed around the main panel. Just a flat colour one. And that's lovely. Then you can see that beautiful paper. So that's that, and then that's another one of the tag booklets that I made on the Roxy challenge. So let's give him that. That's fine. So we'll pop that in like so. And then I've got this Botanical, which matches. I'm going to pop that on there. And then that's it, isn't it? Yeah, very quick. I was kind of, well, you know, I was at that end part, and I think sometimes you think that it's going to go on. I mean, sometimes it does go on and on the end part, and then other times it's really quick. But I think because this kit has got so many bits and bobs and stuff, everything's very, you know, easy just to quickly decorate. Right, and that is that. Oh, so I'm going to sit and do the other one, and then I'm going to do a flip through. They are chunky, aren't they? Yeah, they've come out very, very chunky. Yeah, I'm quite surprised at how big they've come out. So this is, I'm going to call this the, you know, the white flower one, and then we've got that one, which is the berry one. So thank you very much for joining me. Like I say, I'll pop up later with a flip through once I've got that one done. So take care. Thank you for spending your time with me. As always, I appreciate it. And a special mention to my Patreons and my Buy Me a Coffee supporters. Thank you so much, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye for now.